Are you feeling unsettled in your relationship? Something feels a bit off, but you're not really sure what? Today I'm going to unpack this. I'm going to talk about some of the usual suspects I've come across in my career. The first one is your relationship has been neglected. Maybe there's just been too many things going on. Somebody's been ill. There's been too many changes. Excessive work demands pulls on your time and energy, and you haven't had much time to communicate intimately through your words and actions. The second scenario is it's a half-in relationship right now. Maybe one or both of you never really connected from that intimate, deep place that holds two hearts together and that brings on this feeling of warmth and connectedness. The third scenario is that one or both of you is already mostly out, as in out of the relationship and focusing on other things with little interest in nurturing whatever it is that you've had so far. And it's possible that this is just something that you haven't admitted to yourselves and certainly not to each other. The solution for all of these scenarios is to sit down and talk. Name the things that are going on. You are always much better off with knowing exactly what you're in. I invite you to watch one of these two videos with hopes that you'll get clarity on how to move forward. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.